Emotional intelligence, EI, is a crucial concept within positive psychology, focusing on our ability to understand and manage our own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. It plays a significant role in determining how we navigate social complexities, make personal decisions that achieve positive results, and foster emotional well-being. The term emotional intelligence was popularized in the mid-1990s by psychologist Daniel Goleman, who identified it as a set of skills that are crucial for managing feelings and interactions effectively. EI encompasses several key abilities: self-awareness, recognizing one's own emotions and how they affect thoughts and behavior. Self-awareness involves understanding one's strengths and weaknesses and having self-confidence. Self-regulation, managing one's emotions healthily and constructively. This includes the ability to regulate one's moods, control impulses, and adapt to changing circumstances. Motivation, harnessing emotions to pursue goals with energy and persistence. High levels of motivation manifest in a strong drive to achieve, optimism even in the face of failure, and a commitment to personal and organizational goals. Empathy, understanding, recognizing, and considering other people's emotions, which is essential in managing relationships effectively. Social skills, managing relationships to move people in desired directions, whether in leading, negotiating, or working as part of a team. Effective social skills lead to building networks and an ability to find common ground and build rapport. The impact of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence significantly impacts various aspects of daily living and professional performance. Personal well-being. High EI contributes to greater psychological health and well-being. Individuals with high emotional intelligence are better at managing stress, less likely to experience depression, and more likely to lead a fulfilling and balanced life. Relationships. EI is crucial for developing and maintaining personal and professional relationships. It facilitates deeper understanding and stronger connections with others, improving communication, reducing conflicts, and enhancing intimacy. Work performance. In the workplace, EI is linked to better leadership abilities, higher job satisfaction, and improved performance. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can manage teams more effectively, inspire and motivate their employees, and handle workplace conflicts more efficiently. Academic success. Emotional intelligence contributes to better academic achievements as it helps students manage their emotions, leading to improved concentration, greater participation, and better relationships with peers and educators. Practical applications of emotional intelligence. Developing emotional intelligence involves continuous learning and practice. Here are some practical ways to enhance EI. Reflect on your emotions. Regularly take time to reflect on your emotional responses. Try journaling or mindfulness practices that encourage deeper self-awareness. Practice responsive listening. Improve your empathy by listening actively to others, trying to understand their perspective before responding. Develop coping strategies. Learn and apply strategies to manage adverse emotions, such as stress or anger. Techniques might include deep breathing, meditation, or talking things out with a trusted person. Enhance your social skills. Engage in social activities or take up roles that require coordination and team management, helping you practice and improve your interpersonal skills. Understanding and enhancing emotional intelligence can significantly impact one's ability to lead a successful and fulfilling life, making it a cornerstone concept in positive psychology. By fostering greater emotional awareness and management skills, individuals can enhance not only their own well-being, but also contribute positively to the lives of others around them.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.